All organ systems in human body interact and work together in a coordinated way. Such as when we talk about nutrition, the organ systems that are involved in the process of nutrition include respiratory system, excretory system, circulatory system, and digestive system. Similarly, when we talk about body activities, the systems that are involved in regulating activities of human body, they include nervous system, muscular system, endocrine system, and skeletal system. So, communication among organ systems is vital if they are to work together as a team. So, they must be able to respond to each other and change their responses as needed to keep the body in balance. So, communication among organ systems is controlled mainly by the nervous system and the endocrine system.